Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Holden Cruze, stock number 6210. This ran from the 3rd 2009 to the 2nd 2013. It has a F18D for 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a F18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch thick alloy mag tyre. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch thick alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 16-inch thick alloy mag tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.